Your point though about the militias or the Chamorros serving in the local military under the Spanish, it's interesting because that provides an understanding then for Chamorros transitioning into the Guam militia under the United States, and then the Army National Guard later, and then sort of how is it that Chamorros transitioned into that? It's interesting because when you think of it, because that's something that really isn't considered in understanding the Chamorro development of identity across the last century or two, because it's always just that these things form in relation to the United States. But as you've suggested, that Chamorros who joined the Guam militia in World War I, the local sort of component that the US created, their fathers or grandfathers
Or
were
great
perhaps
great
under the
grandfather.
Spanish. Yeah, were served under the Spanish in the local militia at that time.